Okay, before we have a look at this unusual place in Bangkok, let's have a look at this street food. And then I'm just going to walk down here and I'll show you. Look at that, right next to the road. Real Isan food. Welcome to Thai Days. Now it says on there, what's in Mahasin, but it's definitely not a temple. So yeah, I noticed this church in Pingao, and I thought, this is quite cool, be quite cool little YouTube video to do, you know, because there's not many churches in Bangkok. As you know, Thailand is a Buddhist country, so that's why I thought it would be a good idea to come down here and have a little film, have a little look around, maybe tell you about some of my childhood, something like that. Cool. Yeah, so when I was brought up by my mum, I was brought up as a real left footer. And over the years, I've sort of lost that religion. I guess you know, these things happen. But what I have done is took an interest in every religion as I've travelled around the world. As I said, this church is pretty interesting to me, as you don't see many of them. What I'll do, I'll put it all in the description for you if you want to come here. And if you have any unusual places in Bangkok or in your home country, please put them in the comments down below. And please like. Well, unfortunately it's locked. I always thought the church was meant to be open, I don't know. And for some reason it says what on there. What is temple? I thought church was bought, right? I don't know, maybe someone from Thailand can tell me why. I'm not too sure. Anyway, so yeah, I thought this would be a good look around, and as you can see, it's right next to the main road. Via Dalosara, maybe someone who knows as Christian, or I don't know, is that Latin? I don't know. Maybe someone can in the comments tell me what that means. So yeah, I don't want to spend too much time here. You know, I'm not really that religious person anymore. Respect it, no problem with me. Anyway, cool. This is quite nice actually here. I think next time we'll stay away from the church or a temple. We'll probably go to the park next time. No we're not. Next time we're going to go to the owl market. Good. Like, subscribe, peace, love, unity. See you later.